Boys have come. Okay. Yeah. A very special day, actually, with the Happy Heart. We are losing two best students of this batch. Losing is a not nice word, but actually, they won't be able to come from tomorrow, I think, right? Okay, because they're going to further education to another cities. So SMB family gives you very great wishes, okay, to have everything whatever you expect in your life, right? So, what do you want to say? Yeah.
So, I'm going to call farewell boy, Faiz and Farhan. Please come on the stage. Our surprise.
Yes. Okay, your socks, okay, so sharp knife is there for you, right? Just cut this cake, okay? All right. Yeah, Mr. Farhan, please hold it. Yeah. Hey, what is this? Don't do that. We're waiting for this, yeah. This is great, actually.
हो गया
Done. Let it be. Huh? Close. Yeah. Oh, बारी रह गई भैया. The best friends, okay? Best friends of the batch, okay? They were always, having fights, okay? Beautiful fights, okay? And it made the class always humorous and entertaining, right? And don't miss this class a lot, okay? Just call. Just one call away, all right? तुम भी जा रही है क्या? You know that today these guys are leaving us and they're going to some other cities for further education, right? So you must be feeling sad, okay, about this moment, okay, because they were the best. They are the best part of this batch. Contributed a lot in this batch and in this class, and SMB will be in that, okay, for them, because they always try to make the class very hilarious and entertaining, right? And they always try to make the class energetic, right? So always try to value the people who add some value to your life, right? So now it's your turn. Can I know something from you? Actually, one by one, everybody has to speak something for them, for the class, and your experience, whatever you want to share, but keep brief. छोटे में बोलिएगा. I want to just know your feeling, right? Yeah.
Faiz and Farhan both are good friend, and every student likes Faiz and Faiz entertainment in the class.
Right.
And if one children go out the family, it feel empty.
Right.
And two students go outside and this class becomes empty.
Right. This class will become empty, right? Yes, nice. आपका मोबाइल क्लोज लुक ले लीजिएगा इसी एंगल में, ठीक है ना? किसी का क्लोज लुक लीजिए, राइट? बीच में. Thank you very much. Next student, okay? Yeah.
As we noticed, they are my good friends, and they are not my only good friends. They are really guide us what we will do. And he is a very smart person. They both are a smart person.
Yeah.
And I want to say something. When you will come back again, you must give me party.
Yeah. Party is pending, right? वो छोटी मोटी पार्टी से नहीं चलेगा, right? I want big party. Right? Do you agree with me? Yes. Good. Yeah.
So really, we miss them.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Don't cry, brother. Don't cry. I understand your feeling. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we generally celebrate the farewell party after over our session. But now we are going to celebrate because of two most important of the person in my batch. Now he's going to take a study. So it's a very sad moment for us because of we really miss them because of they not only my friend, they are like my family.
Right.
And as he said
Good
that,
word. Very beautiful. Nice, nice. Yeah.
so that's why we will really miss you because of without you we are nothing. So really we will miss you. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's good. Next. Yeah. Okay, done.
I think Farhan and Faiz are best friend in our class, and them are also part of our this batch, and they are also make Faiz also make our class interest, and I miss you, Faiz and Farhan, and best of luck. Your journey started your journey, and best of luck your journey.
For you. Nice. Good point. Yeah.
Yeah, we know that Faiz and Farhan both are good students in our batch, and both are not just friends, both are like brothers. And I believe them one day them will be successful in their life, and them always support others and me also, and I'll really miss them.
Have lots of love, Farhan and Faiz sir.
Okay, don't
Always
cry.
miss.
Don't cry. Be bad. He's about to cry. He's very emotional, yeah. ये क्या है मतलब जादू किया आपने? What is this? Yeah. अच्छा पार्टी का इमोशन है. That's bad, yeah. ये
Both
देखो.
are my best friend.
Yeah. Best friend से ज़्यादा है ये भी बोल दो. Yeah, इतना नहीं ज़्यादा है. Blood. Faiz in the blood, right? Yeah. Yeah.
And both are SMB Lions,
Yeah.
and I really miss you.
This बकरी will miss you, right? Assembly lines को बकरी miss करेगी. Thank you. इतना प्यार. Yeah, something. What do you think about the class? Yeah, because after a long time you visited to this class. Okay.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
So after a long time, I came in assembly, and I meet to Mr. Wasas. So now I'm very happy to see the number of students. So now I'm very happy. So earlier, you know very well what
कितना हमने struggle
what
करा,
was the
right?
condition of SMP.
Right.
So now it's okay.
Yeah.
And so we should not stop. So
Right.
we should do
grow.
hard work
Huh.
in the next level. So I want to see the high level to SMP.
Right. I want to say you one thing, right? This is very important to know actually. Come this side. Come this. Only खातूपुर के स्टूडेंट हुआ करते थे. But now मैं आपको बताऊं हर जगह से स्टूडेंट अलग अलग जगह से. कहाँ घर है आपका सर? पोखरिया बेगूसराय. You? Shima. You tell me. खातूपुर. Okay. You? हसनपुर. कारीचक से आगे, राइट? सीमा. लाखों. हाँ. पोखरिया. या. ओके. ओके. कर्पूरी स्थान बेगूसराय, राइट? खातूपुर. या. साफा.
It's near Daryapura.
राइट. एंड ये दोनों पोखरिया. समझ रहे हो बात? Now I have been. I mean this class has the flavor of every corner of बेगूसराय. बेगूसराय के हर कॉर्नर का फ्लेवर है हमारे क्लास में. अब nobody can stop us to grow if we keep doing like this. One day this class will touch the height of success. Right now? Are you with me? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Anything else you want to share about struggle? छोटा सा कुछ.
So just I want to just say something to all of you. So don't come in assembly that just I will fulfill only just formality. No, English is not just like a language. English will help you everywhere. if you want to get success, if you want to get good position, so that it will very helpful to you, to all of you. So just set your mindset, just after 10th what I have to do, just decide. Because when you think, no, I will do the inter, I will do the graduation, don't think and don't just give advice. Mr. Basas is also here, just give advice what I have to do, sir, after 10th what I will do. So he will guide you also.
Right.
I think that Faizuddin and Farhan is stars of SMB, and without star, I think that class will not shine. And whenever he is here in our class or in our batch, he always entertains the class, and he is very active in our class. And I think that this batch is very beautiful batch, and it is very interesting batch also. So thanks.
Keep it short. Yeah.
Farhan and Faizuddin, these guys are my best friend, and I really miss you guys, and I really miss our fight. And I wanna say you guys one thing. May your journey be filled.
Continue. You continue.
May your journey be filled with joy and adventure. And I wanna share one beautiful quote in Hindi. आज जा रहे हो विदा होके यहाँ से, आज जा रहे हो विदा होके यहाँ से। आशा करती हूँ कि जहाँ भी जाओगे खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ पाओगे।
Now I'm losing.
Just 5 minutes. Okay, don't disturb me, please.
Now I'm losing my two best of friend, and they are going to take education for other, I mean to say other state. So I really miss them because of they always spend their time with me to some funny things. So I really miss you guys. So thank you.
It's been 3 months that I have studied here, and a great bond has been created among all the students and the teacher, and you especially.
Right.
And here I found one unique quality, very unique quality, that we all can interact with each other, and we don't have any kind of hesitation to talk to anyone, that we all are like a family. And now, and I can say that I'm leaving this class, and I'm assuring that I will not leave this class. I will be connected to this, and I will miss you all, guys. I will really miss you all from my heart.
Yeah.
So thank you at last. We will miss you.
Okay.
I want to share how was the journey of SMB English. So I always miss you. I always miss you all, guys, because they are just like a brother, not a friend. And I want to share a environment of SMB. SMB environment is very, very marvelous environment, and I learn a lot of things is there. So I never ever disconnect each other. So I always miss you. Thank you.
Thank you. Not about losing anyone. It's about all the good memories. Okay. Every minute, okay, and give your glasses to these two boys. Okay, they're looking, swag. Okay, yeah, please put this glasses. You're looking so smart today. For the first time, they're looking smarter than I.
No.
कभी नहीं, मेरे से smart कभी नहीं लग सकता ये.
दोनों छपरी ये हमको बोला था.
All right, good. So you're not looking smart. They're telling, okay, but for the first time, you're looking smarter than I, right? Okay, anyways. So one thing I want to suggest you lastly. That is, don't compromise with your character. जिंदगी में कभी भी अपनी कैरेक्टर के साथ कंप्रोमाइज मत कीजिएगा. अब कैरेक्टर दो तरह के होते हैं, गुड कैरेक्टर एंड बैड कैरेक्टर. तो लोगों ने ये बात कह दिया, लोग मोटिवेट हो गए. ठीक है, अब गुड कैरेक्टर के साथ तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करते हैं वो, लेकिन बैड के साथ भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करते. राइट, यू आर वेरी हिलेरियस बट देयर शुड बी अ बाउंड्री. राइट, यू आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन बट देयर शुड बी अ बाउंड्री. Sometimes we need fun, sometimes we need seriousness. Yes. समझ में आ गया, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहता मैं.
Yes.
समझ में आया मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ?
Yes.
Sometimes you need seriousness and sometimes he needs fun. ठीक है? So, one more departure, one more farewell. Nowadays, every second day, some students are leaving. Some students are going to another cities. But भाई लोग एक बात बता रहा हूँ, don't forget SMB English, okay? भूलोगे कैसे? जब भी मुंह से इंग्लिश निकला, समझ लो कि SMB, right? So you are enjoying today? Lucy, please understand.